Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to clear cache in Amazon Music. So actually guys, I do really want to note that the iOS does not allow clearing cache directly inside the app. So to do it, you will need at first to offload the app, okay? So you will need to go with your phone's settings and then just go with general, right? Type it or just locate it and tap it. And after that, you will need to go with iPhone storage, the third option, as you can see. And here you will need to locate the app, Amazon Music. Tap it and then just go with offload app. So this removes the app but keeps data, so then just reinstall the app from the app store. Okay, also there is another option where you can delete the app, so that's a full clear or a full cache clear. So just click or press on delete app and then reinstall it from the Apple App Store. For the Android users, you will need just to open your settings, okay, and then you will need to swipe down till you can see an option like apps and notifications or just apps, and then just find Amazon Music and tap it, then tap on storage option. Then you will find inside the option an option like clear cache. It says clear cache or clear data, so just tap that option if you want to clear the cache. Okay, if you want a full reset, go with clear data, then it will be done. So then just open Amazon Music and it should run smoother. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.